Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on subtitles in Netflix. Let's start. So this option of turning on your subtitles, you can also do this if you want to access your Netflix on your mobile phone or in your tablet, or apart from TV, you can also do this in your computers. The good thing about Netflix is that it's very globally fit, so you can binge watch all over the world. If you want to watch K dramas, if you're hooked to one of those Turkish movies, and then you don't speak the language, of course, there's a way for you to turn on subtitles. Now, in case you forget, the tutorial and then you don't know how it's done, you can definitely go to my help center. If you click on that, you can just click, here, or just type how to turn on subtitles, and then it will lead you to the page. But right now, you don't need help center because I will be helping you on how you would turn on the subtitle for your movies, guys. So say I'm already in my account, and then if I will click a movie, once you're in, lower right of the screen, you would actually see audio and subtitles. So either you can have icon for desktop on your phones, it's just going to be the word audio and subtitle. If you click on that, it would give you these choices. Okay, so say if I would want my boss baby be in Croatian subtitle, I can just click on that. If I would want Greek, if I want French, you would be able to see the subtitles in French. Okay, so this part, I just want to do English, and then that's how it's done. So very easy, right? If you want to learn more about Netflix, you could always subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!